OnePlus has announced that it will be launching the Nord CE4 smartphone in India on Monday, April 1, 2024. Today we have leaks and hands-on images. Nord CE4. The variant we have here today is called Celadon Marble. The OnePlus Nord CE4 is also come in black and green color options. The Nord CE4 will feature the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chip, with 8GB of RAM plus 8GB expansion RAM and up to 256GB of storage. OnePlus claims it offers 15% improvement in CPU performance, 50% boost in GPU performance, and 20% improvement in power saving. It will likely run Android 14-based OxygenOS 14 out of the box. The OnePlus Nord CE4 will get a 6.7-inch Full HD plus 120Hz AMOLED screen with dual stereo speaker. On the rear, it is said to feature a 50-megapixel primary sensor and an 8-megapixel sensor. It could get a 16-megapixel front camera. It's powered by 5000 mAh battery with support for 100W AST charging for a claimed day's power in 15 minutes. The next generation model is also expected to be priced under 26,000 rupees to 30,000 in India. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.